morning, everybody. Looking back at yesterday, look at these high temperatures. Upper 70s and lower 80s across the state. Soak that in for just a second or two, because the cool down, it's here. All right, we're already pretty chilly outside this morning in the 40s. You see that light breeze as well. That obviously makes it feel even cooler. So find your jackets, and underneath those jackets, you're absolutely going to need long sleeves today, because the thermometer is not going to climb much. You'll notice obviously sunshine, clear sky out there right now, or at least mostly clear, but it will not stay that way. I'll show you where the clouds are right now and when they will get here in just a moment. Middle 40s to upper 40s in most spots, but some low 40s like Flemingsburg 43 in Campbellsville, and 42 in Monticello to kick off your Monday. Now the cloud cover, it's up to the north of us now. It is going to be heading south. Even as soon as midday, we're going to start thickening up those clouds, and then into the afternoon, most of us should be mostly cloudy. Could even squeeze out a few sprinkles today. Now into tonight, there's a disturbance that's going to continue to kind of pinwheel from the Great Lakes down into Kentucky, and that brings with it a chance for some sprinkles or isolated showers. A little better chance for showers actually in the forecast for Tuesday. And when you roll in temperatures that are only going to be in the 50s and you bring in a shower or two in the area, ooh, that will make it feel even cooler. So for today, middle and upper 50s with clouds on the increase. Won't rule out a sprinkle, but it's a very small chance. Most of you will not experience those with a light wind. A light wind tonight. Temperatures are able to likely drop low to mid 40s, but the sky should stay mostly cloudy with some sprinkles possible. Now toward tomorrow morning, we could see even a few isolated showers. The next big thing, frost and maybe even a freeze. We have the potential for frost Tuesday night, and I say potential because a cloud cover and a light breeze could kind of keep frost at bay for some of us Tuesday night. Best chance is Wednesday night, when a freeze could happen because clouds look to exit and the wind also looks to go calm. If you can get a calm wind, you're able to get those temperatures to really drop and a better chance for some frost to form. So cover those plants. Also, if you have an opportunity, bring them indoors. If you don't like the chill, look at the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. Beautiful, Krista. Highs back in the low 70s.